Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a vendor in your QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, I want to let you know right off the bat, you can't delete a vendor in your QuickBooks Online. However, you can make them inactive to stop any further transactions with them. But why would you want to go ahead and delete a vendor in your QuickBooks Online anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. Just like employees, sometimes you're going to part ways with vendors, so you're no longer going to use their service. So sometimes it's better to go ahead and make them inactive in your QuickBooks. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. So first off, what you want to do is click on this left menu bar right here. Once you click on menu, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to hover over expenses. Once you hover over there, you're going to see these two options, expenses and suppliers. For some reason, some versions of QuickBooks call them suppliers. Sometimes they call them vendors. It's the same thing. So click there. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a list of all of your vendors in QuickBooks. You can see I just have this one. Now, in order to make them inactive, what you're going to do is over here to the right, there's going to be this downward arrow. Click on there, and then you just click on Make Inactive. Once you do that, you're going to see this warning asking if you're sure you want to go ahead and delete this vendor in your QuickBooks Online. So click on the green button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that vendor has been deleted. So it's in the inactive section. So I'm not going to be able to record any transactions with them any further. So there you have it, guys. If you were wondering how to delete a vendor in your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it, by making them inactive. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.